What's going on, guys? Taz92 here. So finally picked the day to come out and change my gasket. So what I'm gonna do, take off my water pump assembly and everything. So pretty much I got access to, sandblaster. So when I take it off and when I change my gaskets, before pretty much assembling everything back together, it's like I will sandblast and I will paint, pretty much like the water pump assembly and the filler reservoir or whatnot. So we're gonna get that done hopefully this weekend, get everything situated. Still got to buy the paint and whatnot, and I will sandblast it tomorrow when I do go to work. So that's gonna be that. But something a little bit more quick and easier, we will be taking out the fuel pump and replacing that gasket. So got everything there, stuff from the inside, stock turbos. Still wanted to get those situated and repaired if I can. Send those away when I get a chance. Like I said, everything from the inside. Still waiting on my gauge cluster to come back, and yes, I did get that situated, and hopefully it'll be on its way back soon. So, oh yes, I do have air pump, but the only thing that is jacked up with this is the connection. As you can see, it does have a messed up connector. So if anybody knows how to, well, I guess you can splice it if you need it. This is for sale. So I will most likely leave some information in the description. Alrighty, so still gotta clean everything out, and boom, well, not too much to do, and that's it. So again, everything as far as from the back is stock. Just have to take this out and change my gasket. So give you an update in a minute. Quick update, did get the pump out. Here's the gasket, a little kind of rusty a little bit around it, but I will replace it. This is everything in there. Still got a lot of fuel. I let it run from time to time, so I will replace this gasket. So, and I did, let me see where it's at, right here. Brand new, ready to go in. All right, catch you in a bit. Yes, ma'am. lost the screw. So back at it again. Good news, bad news, somewhat semi, I guess you can say, somewhat bad news. Lost the screw to that one right there. Everything else is fine, just ready to put it back on. So take off the tape. Make sure we don't have any gunk or anything going into our lines. Oh, sorry about that. That one's good. I have the other piece right here. We'll wait on that. Let's get these other ones in here first. Again, I need to invest in a GoPro. With the head strap, that'd be much more easier instead of just holding the camera and trying my best just to get everything back together. So I'm not sure if my actual reading unit for this pump is working, because I know I did have issues, you know, reading the fuel when I replaced the fuel pump a couple years ago. So we're gonna see how we're gonna get it. Alright, be right back. Alright, fuel pump is back in there, cleaned everything out in the back, put all the wires back in. Let's see if she starts, because I know this thing does have bad grounds here and there. Let's let it run for about maybe a couple minutes, 15, just to make sure that this pump is still going. Because I do not need any issues as far as that pump goes. Ready? Thing's good. I still have to change this. All that extra wobble. Terrible. Can't wait to put this bad boy back on there. But yeah, she runs. Check you on the next one.